Hey guys, PDF and Pete's Tools, awesome to see you here again. Hey, I needed to replace my welding gloves the other day and didn't want to spend a hell of a lot of money, so I just bought some cheap blue ones off Amazon, I think it was. So let's have a look at them and see what you think. Hey guys, good to see you here. Hey, I brought these cheap gloves the other day. Blue leather gloves. So yeah, I actually bought 2 or 3 pair of them, but this is the better looking one after I burnt the other ones up, but they don't seem too bad. I thought they'd be pretty crappy actually, to tell you the truth, for the price of them. They're quite long, they're quite long sleeved, and they probably go, what, maybe 7 or 8 inches up the sleeves, and yeah, they're actually leather. They're actually leather and they're lined. I mean, they're about $11 or something, quite cheap. Keep your hands from frying anyway, certainly do that. I've brought the expensive ones over the years, but I just find, I don't know, I just lose the things, I run over them, I put holes in them, you know how it is. Maybe I'm just rough, I don't know, but yeah, I just, you know, just this replaceable stuff suits me. But anyway, I thought we'd see how hot we could get with them before we actually do some damage. So what I've done here is I've got my my big heat gun and a bit of plastic there, and we'll turn the heat gun on and we'll just show you that it's melting the plastic like that. See that? It's definitely frying the plastic. We had it, whew, it stinks as well. We had about 20 odd seconds on there. So let's try it, eh? Just bear with me guys, I'll put this glove on. You see it's changing colour. It's warm, but it's not ow ow ow. No, it's real awesome. It's getting hot now. See, we're starting to smoke, but my hand's still in there. And just to show you again, I'll hold that for about the same amount of time. Oh shit, I can't hold that. See that? So yeah, whew, so for 10 or 11 bucks, I actually think they're right, eh? Let me know what you think, but I've got my hand in there and see how that's. I'll turn that off, guys. See how that's. You can see the heat on there, but it hasn't done any damage to it or anything. And my hand was inside there, and it's not even red, as you can see. Now there's no trick to that, and they're pretty solid. Like I say, they're lined and everything. They're leather. I mean, $10.50 I think they were, or something, $10.90 or something. I mean, what do you expect for that sort of money? I reckon they're pretty good value, personally. I wouldn't be buying the $80 and $90 gloves anymore. But that's just my opinion, but I'm a cheapskate. You guys know that by now if you've been watching my videos. And also, guys, remember, if you like my videos, subscribe. Or drop me a comment, don't be shy. Tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from you, and even like them or dislike them, and do whatever you want. It's all good, but I'm just sharing my thoughts, and the old backyard guy don't like to spend too much money, you know. Anyway, we'll put this heat on here again, and we'll see what happens again, eh? Go on the fingers this time. You see how that's starting to change colour? You see if my fingers are starting to change colour. Perfectly fine. Quite good, eh? I wonder how long it will take before I actually set these gloves on fire. See the heat there? I was actually going to try and melt some plastic through the gloves, but that's probably because that's double the thing, and that probably wouldn't work. Anyway, we have a go. You see my plastic down there? See it shriveling up? Turn it up again. You probably can't see because it's already shriveled up, but we'll have a go, see what happens. Stuck to there, but it hasn't shriveled up anymore. It's not even hot. reckon these are pretty good value. Yeah, so I'll drop some links below if you want to buy yourself some. They got all different sorts. I got really expensive ones too, and I got cheap ones, but this is about the cheapest I could find. Awesome, man. Hey, what more do you want? Even if I got like a couple of months out of these, it's all good. I mean, for $10, save your hands, save a lot of aggravation anyway. Anyway guys, that's my little video for the day. And like I say, if you like my videos, subscribe down below. If you don't, even just tell me. You might have found some better gloves, some cheaper gloves, but these little blue gloves seem to be alright, and they're long enough in the arms as well. Stop all the sparks from getting that to you and all the rest of it. And yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching our video. We'll see you next time, eh?